Hello, this is Rozz from Mash.ie and this is Mash 3 Ways. Mash 3 Ways is a series that will give you 3 ways, surprise, surprise, about how to teach or learn about a topic. So let's go. For this episode, we're going to look at 3 ways with bread. Why not bread? Irish people and all over the world have gone crazy panic buying bread, yeast and flour, and it seems like everyone is baking, so you've definitely got the ingredients in your house. Why baking for children? Well, baking is a really important life skill. It's really good for literacy, maths, science. It's really active and you get a yummy product at the end of it. So why not make bread? I've made a mash grid with lots of different ideas, digital and non-digital, about teaching and learning about bread. But here are 3 ways with bread that you can start right away. My first way with bread is the now viral, you've probably seen it, Moldy Bread science investigation. I actually saw this own investigation on display in my own school the week before the school shut, so really to get around quickly. That's why they call it viral, don't they? This investigation, it was there to teach children how important it was to wash their hands, and it's still really important. It's really visual, it gets its point across so well, and I've added a link to the video where the original teacher in America talked about why she did this. So if you can get a hold of some bread, you might be able to do it at home as well and get some moldy bread in your kitchen. My second way with bread is not only to teach them the recipe of the baking of the bread, but is to teach them about a writing genre called procedural writing. Now, teachers all know procedural writing is an established way of doing something. Whenever you're looking at a how-to guide or a step-by-step instruction, you're basically using procedural writing. An idea here would be to set your learners a scavenger procedural hunt, just like the title, and they could look for 3 types of procedural writing at home. They could look for a recipe, instructions for a game, or even a manual, if you can find them under the couch. That would keep them busy for ages, actually. The third one, my third way with bread, is not only have people gone crazy baking bread, but baking banana bread. Teach Vision has loads of bread themes activities, and I'm going to share one. It's Curious George's banana bread. It's also the theme of the picture book and the character of Curious George. It's very cute, and I'll add the link there as well. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed Mash's 3 Ways with Bread. You can subscribe to our channel for lots of ideas on home learning or extension work using a theme on Mash's 3 Ways. And if you're selling a product about bread or procedural writing, teachers, make sure you tag them with bread or procedural writing. You're going to find all the videos I'm making on IGTV channel and also on our YouTube channel. We love likes, we love subscribing, we love comments. Thank you so much for listening to Mash's 3 Ways with Bread. And until the next time, take it easy.